Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this heavy duty half round doormat, which it is 18 by 30. You can see 30 wide by 18 long. And this one's going to be a heavy duty one. So it's going to be for snow, raining, mud. If it is like a super rainy day and you're coming from outside with your shoes super dirty, this is going to be nice to have. So number one, 18 by 30, as I was telling you before, it has this heavy duty cover over there so you can actually wipe down your shoes. And also it has this kind of like rubber pad on the bottom side so it won't move easily when you're applying weight. One thing that I would say is that it comes kind of like rolled. So I would say put it out 24 hours before or something like that. So you make sure that this kind of like flaps over here and not super bended. So do that for like 24 hours, I think. And this one, yeah, it's going to be your half round. It's going to be for snow or rain or just mud or things like that. And of course, it has this really nice surface over here. As you can see over here, no issues at all. You can just like put it over here on your door, 18 by 30. And of course, it's going to give you that really nice surface for just cleaning your shoes whenever before going inside of the house. I like it. Of course, it's going to be your new one for the winter season or autumn or just like all season, heavy duty, good for cleaning your shoes before getting inside the house.